Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I'm so glad you could join me today. We're going to make a really cute card. I'm focusing on the second stamp set that you see here. And these stamp sets are from our brand new Box of the Month for August, Artsy Girls. It's a really cute collection. I'll have the link in the description box if you want to join the Box of the Month Club, or you can purchase it as a one-time purchase. We're going to be focusing on this Miss Ink stencil here. It has super cute paint strokes and it comes in your box this month. So I just love it. And I want to use these little paint strokes that are in different sizes. And I'm going to do 3 of them in a row. So I'm using my handy Wendy Vecchi Make Art metal mat. It is perfect for stenciling. I do have that listed in my Amazon store. So if you click on open my description box, you'll see my Amazon store there with all my crafty favorites. So I'm using the Distress inks in the Kitchen Flamingo, Twisted Citron, and Prize Ribbon, which is the brand new Distress ink, and it's a beautiful blue color. I'll also have that listed for you in the description box. So I'm going to work on adding the color to the stencil here, and then you'll see the nice reveal. And if you do notice, I did get some ink on past the stencil there, so it got on the paper. See that little pink line there? So what I'm going to do, instead of scrapping the whole thing, I'm just going to put an image over it and call it good. So I think this makes a really cute background. I'm going to mat the circle on the black scalloped circle that is probably like a 1/4 inch bigger than the circle. And that's just going to give it a nice frame. And then I'm going to lay out all my images and create a cute little scene here. So I was deciding which way to put my paint strokes. I thought about doing it up and down. But then in the end, I decided to turn it on its side. If you notice, I did not color in the paintbrush color yet because I wasn't sure where I was going to lay this image down, and I wanted it to look like it was coloring one of those paint strokes. So since it's on the top there, I'm going to color that blue with my Copic markers. So the markers I'm using are B95, B93, and B91 for my lightest shade. So I think that turned out pretty close to that Prize Ribbon color there. I'm going to start gluing down all my images, and I'm going to use some liquid glue adhesive for that. That way I have a little wiggle room before it adheres down. If you didn't check out the YouTube Hop and giveaway, which was on the 1st, you still have time to check it out and leave a comment, enter into the giveaway. That will close on August 8th. So I'll be giving away a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. So I'd love to see you hop on over there to that video. I'll have the link in the description box for you. The design team gave us so many ideas on how to use this box. You got to check out the projects. They are amazing. So here I'm gluing down that paint tube, and I wanted it to look like the dog was stomping on that paint and the paint was like squishing out of the tube. I just thought that looked so cute. I just put my acrylic block on top of the images so they dry flat. I'm going to pick out my sentiment. I'm going to use the color outside the lines sentiment, and I wasn't sure if I wanted it on top on that white space or more down closer to the dog. I really wanted it on the white space, but then I thought that the sentiment was too high, too close to the edge of the circle. I didn't think that would look right. So I brought the sentiment down, and I used the VersaFine Clear on Onyx Black ink for my sentiment there. And I think that turned out fine. Now I thought that the card was done, and then I'm like, let me add this paintbrush. I wasn't sure if it was going to be too much, too busy, but I decided to go for it. So I think it did turn out really cute. So the kit does come with some embellishments. You'll get a package of Gina Marie Designs enamel dots, and I'm just going to sprinkle these around the card. I really like how they look, so bubbly and chunky, and I think it gives it a perfect touch. Now stick around to the end because I'm not done. I do change something on this card, and I think you're going to like it. But first I'm adding some glossy accents to the paint. So on the paintbrush and on the paint tube, and I think that looks really cute. And I thought I was done, but then like, hey, let's use that ink splatter from the stamp set. Wouldn't that be cute to have ink splatter all over the dog, like he was in the craft room making a mess. So I thought that turned out really cute. Now to mask off in certain areas on the dog, I just tore a piece of paper, used that so the ink didn't get outside the dog, and that worked out just fine. Now look how easy it is to create this. And then we want a little splatter on the dog's head. Now this could be a cat or a dog. Let me know in the description box what you think it is. Is it a cat or a dog? You can color it any way you want and make it either. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and this card. Isn't it so cute with the splatter? I have all the links in the description box for you. You can head on over and check out what's in the box. I have pictures on the website, some photo samples from the design team. So I hope you enjoy it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.